Points of Light product lights is a product I would recommend getting. Not only does it work well, but the remote has extended reach. You can change the different colors when you're inside the house, and you don't have to be directly outside to get the colors to change. It has like over 20 different light settings on it, and not only does it extend onto the house, it also extends beyond the house. It actually gets onto my shed and the trees and on the other side of the yard and everything as well, as long as it's like 15 feet away. But unfortunately, my video that I provided with the example doesn't show too great because I had moved it from its spot because it fell over or whatever. I just didn't reposition it, I just set it back up. But it's a product I recommend, Points of Light. It's only like $15 if you get it on sale, and it's a lot better quality than those other two lights that I've suggested, which is the Star Shower Motion Lights and the Star Shower Slideshow. The lights are better quality than these ones, bigger, seen better from the street view. Not only that, I love changing the different colors. You can either make them steel into the same spot, or you can have them move, and there's so many multitude of different colors. Like, I wish I had did a better view of testing out a few of the settings on there, but unfortunately my camera doesn't pick too well up in the nighttime. And since I have three of them, and I have two of them currently plugged in, and the third one being, the Christmas year one is unplugged for now. It's still in the housing in the bucket with a little slot for the cords to go in. It keeps it dry from the weather compared to those little containers that you see where people have them for their plugs. And I have a green cord. Well, it's a cheap version, outdoor rated plug, and then I have the industrial cord with the orange because I had to make an extension last to go longer to get to where I needed to go, because it had to go from inside of the porch, which is the way of my setup. So hopefully you have an outdoor plug to put them in. If you do happen to get a warranty for this product, and use a GFCI plug to plug it in, you void the warranty, or you may cause a fire. But people have been doing it this way for years, and usually the fire results in faultier plugs or extension cords where you damage them. So anything important is to keep just the cord, protected. Like, keep people away from that area, or remember where that area is that you have it the line ran. Because I have mine ran against the ground, and it's tied off certain areas and covered with rocks and with the containers at each point. When it stops snowing, and it's continuously snowing here in January, I will probably just make a better container for each section, because I only have the one section with the bucket, and that's at the fence. One thing about this product though is it's top heavy, so I more or less have the ground kind of pre-prepped with maybe the grass removed, so you could stick it sort of in the dirt so that the legs have something to bear into, because if it's in a solid ground that's already frozen, it might continue to topple over with the weather. And I'd keep like maybe a box around there, since like mine, I have the fence around there, it has to block the wind a little bit to help it from pushing it over, since it is very top heavy. But I highly recommend it. Points of Light.